Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now, today I've got a super simple and really easy to use money making app. This is probably one of the easiest money making apps I've used, and the potential to make money from this is still really high. So, they're actually also offering a $50 giveaway through PayPal for the first person to reach a score of 25,000, which I'll explain how to get later on in this video. So, yeah, if you're the first one and you get 25,000 and you enter this code, which I'll be putting in the description below. I think it's like Mobile Merchant 50, and you just email that to them, then they'll give you $50 in PayPal. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Alright, so the app I want to show you guys today is called Flashcards for Money, and you can see it right there on my home screen. So let me enter the app. And when you first enter the app, you're going to be brought to this screen where it just says like start. You can see your progress, like that's how much you've gotten in your score. You can see it says here, it explains what you need to do. So you only need to click on the green marker, so like this circle with an X inside of it. After you click on start, and on the bottom it says be sure to take a screenshot of the score or of your screen when you surpass 25,000 points, and you can win a lot of money. And in addition, as I've said, they are offering a giveaway. So you're going to get guaranteed money if you're the first one that watches this video and gets 25,000 points. So let me show you how you can do that. So what you do is you just press on start here, and it's going to just show you these like objects. And your goal is to tap on it when you see this circle with an X. So let's try to get that. See, I got it. Or I didn't, I guess I missed. And if you miss, you're going to be shown an ad. You can just close it out, and then you can start again. So do this, and when you see the green X, just tap on it, and then you're going to get your score to add up, and then you tap on it again. Oh, I missed. It's kind of hard when I'm filming a video to tap at the same time, but you get the point, right? You just start. It's really, really simple, and then just tap when you see the X. And I think every tap, like it increases in value. So like first you get like 100, and then you get like 200. I'm not sure exactly. Let me see this. So let me tap on the X. Oh gosh, yeah, I really cannot tap right now. It's really hard for me to do that when I am also trying to hold my camera steady. And then get that again. Right here. Oh, I missed it. Okay, so it's 100 each time, and right now I'm at 400 total. So yeah, your goal is to get 25,000, and if you can get that, take a screenshot of this screen. So you have to know how to take a screenshot on your phone, and send that as an email, attach it to your email, and send it to the email in the Google Play description right here. Let me load it up. Okay, so you can see on the Google Play Store, this is what the app looks like. And if you scroll down here to the details section, then you can see that it says here that it's optimized for phones with fast touchscreen responses, so tablets may not be compatible. And it says right here, the highest score at or above 25,000 points will get 10% of the total gross earnings from ads for that month. So 10% of the total ad money is going to go to you if you're at the highest score or above 25,000 points. So all you got to do is, as I said, just click on the start and then click on the green X, and you'll score 100 points, and the image will keep on cycling. And then if you don't click it, or you click the wrong image, or too late, then you lose and you have to start over. So you have to be quick and also be careful, as it may repeat itself in a short period of time. And then it says here are the prizes that you can get through PayPal. So first place will get 10% of the gross earnings. Second place will get 5% of the gross earnings. And a raffle winner will get another 5% of the gross earnings for that month. And remember that only scores of 25,000 points or higher for the month will be entered into the raffle. And you can enter as many times as you want, but the entries have to use unique reference numbers. So all earnings will be rounded to the nearest dollar, and of course you're responsible for your taxes. So let's say that this app makes $1,000 from ads for the month. Then the first place gets $100, sorry. Second place gets $50, and the raffle winner will also get $50. So basically all you need for this app is a lot of hand-eye coordination and fast reflexes, because as you saw, it's pretty tough to click on the X, especially when you're doing something else. So you have to have like your full attention on the app and make sure that you're clicking it as soon as you see the green X. And then once you do get $25,000, it says here the instructions. You have to take a screenshot of your best score at or above 25,000 to be eligible for a tier prize. And it must include 2 reference numbers. So you have to make sure that you know how to take a screenshot on your phone, and that the opportunity to take a screenshot will be lost if you hit the back button or kill the app. So make sure you don't close the app at all. If you get more than 25,000, take a screenshot immediately so that then you can email it to them and you can claim your prize. So for the submission process, it says here you need to email the screenshot to the email provided on the screen when you surpass 25,000 points. So once you do get 25,000, it's going to give you an email, and in that email, that's where you're going to send your screenshot. You have to include your name, your age. You have to be 18 or older to receive the prize, and your email where you would like the company Solace Applications to send the prize if you win. And if you don't email them within 1 week, then they reserve the right to deny payment and distribute it however they see fit. Now, also remember that in addition to the monthly prize, there's also a $50 giveaway for the first winner of the app that watches this video. So all you have to do is when you do get 25,000 points and you do start your email submission, include the code MobileMerchant50, like MobileMerchant50. I'm going to put this in the description, so make sure you check there just to be sure. And it's like in all caps. And when you do that, then they will send you $50 immediately. It's like sort of a giveaway that they're running for this video. So yeah, that's about it for this app. It's really, really simple. Remember, all you have to do is just start, tap the X, and that's it. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximize your income online and at home.